understanding zero. So, number zero. When you see the number zero, that means it has none. Let me explain myself. So, say we have 3 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cupcakes. And we decide that we are going to eat the 3 cupcakes. Do you want to have one with me? So let's eat 3 cupcakes. Delicious. Now that we ate all of the cupcakes, do you see any more on the plate? So because there's no more cupcakes on the plate, we ended up with 0 cupcakes. Let's do this again. So on this flower, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 honeybees. And all 4 honeybees decided to go back home. If they all left the flower all at once, that means there's no more bees on the flower. There's none. If there's no more visible honeybees on this flower, that means there's 0 bees on this flower. Here we have some frames. So in the first 5 frame, we don't see any counters at all. Can you write on a piece of paper how many counters are there in the first frame? How many counters is there in the second frame? Write it down. How many are there in the third frame? Can you spot any counters on the fourth frame? Don't forget, write down your answers. How many brown counters do you see? Let's review our answers all together. So, in the beginning I said the first frame. Can you spot any counters in the first frame? So if you didn't spot any counters, that means there's none. And if there's none, that means the answer is, if you have 0, give yourself a clap. The second frame has 1 counter. The third frame has 2 counters. And once again, we're seeing a frame with 0 counters. And the last frame has 4 counters. With this being said, I want you to remember this. 0 is not a counting number. When you count, you start with number 1. Once again, 0 is not a counting number. When you are counting, you always start with saying number 1. It goes like this. 1. After number 1, we will get number 2. And after number 2, what would we get? We would get number 3. And after number 3, we will get number, could you guess? 4. And after number 4, what would we get? Number 5. And after number 5, we will get number, write it on a paper for me. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.